I hope you are doing great. So this is a short clips from the sales we made in our town. So a quick advice from us to you, in case you are a fish farmer out there and you are into the 18 pound fish culturing system. Please and please and please try as much as possible to monitor what your workers are doing in terms of feeding, in terms of changing water, in terms of fueling. Make sure you are monitoring them. If you ask them to give them one bags of feed, make sure they give them one bag of feed. Don't have this notion of you are into 18 pond, you don't need to feed your fishes the right amount or the right amount of feed. On your harvest day, you will see the results by yourself. Again, make sure you monitor what your workers are doing in the farm. If you are using the 18 pond fish culturing system, make sure they are giving your fishes the right amount of feed. So that will be that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, kindly follow all our social media pages. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.